Hi students, it's very important exercise for surveyors and civil engineers. We will learn how to import traverse data in Civil 3D. For that, you can open any new drawing in Civil 3D and navigate to Tool Space Survey tab here. On Survey tab, right click Survey Database and select New Local Survey. And right here Traverse 1 as the name of New Local Survey Database and press OK. New Local Survey Database has been created. Now expand the Traverse branch. Right click Network and select New. The new network dialog box open. Expand the network branch in dialog if needed. Now name your network Traverse Practice and click OK. Now right click Traverse Practice Network and select Import Field Book. We have this one field book. I will put the link of this field book in the description link. You can use it for this exercise. Now press open and leave all of them as it is. Just for the line work it should be yes and yes. We have all options ready. So your dialog box of import field book should look like this field. There is no line work in this file because it is just traverse short. Now click OK. Double click your middle mouse wheel to zoom extend to get a look at the imported traverse. You can see here we have done our traverse. Now Traverse Practice Network is now listed as a branch under Tool Space Prospector tab, and here you can see under the Survey Network, and here we have Traverse Practice. Now save your drawing for the next exercise. In the next exercise we will analyze our traverse and we will adjust our traverse according to least square method in the next exercise.